What if your employees were currently using a hidden technology that added $670,000 to a single data breach? This chart maps the reality of enterprise AI today. We are looking at 91% of AI tools operating without oversight, while 75% of employees are quietly bringing their own AI to work. This is shadow AI, the evolution of traditional shadow IT. An engineer can debug complex code in seconds, or a manager can summarize a 50-page report instantly, bypassing corporate procurement processes that often take months. The barrier to entry is virtually zero. Anyone with a web browser is instantly equipped with the capabilities of a senior developer or a dedicated data scientist. That immediate return on investment creates a behavioral trap. When a tool makes an employee this effective, simple rule enforcement is rarely enough to stop its use. The most immediate consequence of that efficiency is data leakage. It remains the #1 risk of unmanaged AI use. Consider the case at Samsung. Engineers looking to speed up their workflow pasted confidential semiconductor source code straight into a public chatbot to debug it. Within 3 weeks, Samsung suffered 3 separate data leaks. Their proprietary intellectual property was absorbed into external servers entirely outside their control. A similar pattern hit Amazon, where they discovered that external ChatGPT outputs had begun mirroring their own internal, confidential AWS infrastructure data. This illustrates model contamination. Once secure internal data passes through the firewall and into a public model, it is baked into the external training set. The model can then freely distribute that information to other users, including your direct competitors. Public AI models act as one-way valves. You can put data in, but you cannot pull it back out, turning a quick shortcut into an unrecoverable loss of intellectual property. But data leaking out is only half the equation. The inverse threat is bad data coming in, creating a severe integrity risk. 2 New York lawyers discovered this when they submitted a formal court filing that relied on legal citations generated by an unverified AI chatbot. The citations were complete fabrications. The model hallucinated the case law entirely, leading to a $5,000 fine and public sanctions for the legal team. You would assume organizations are locking down their systems in response, but the data reveals a massive governance gap. 63% of organizations currently operate with 0 formal AI usage policies. When employees base their decisions on unverified AI outputs without organizational oversight, they introduce legal and reputational liabilities that standard corporate insurance often will not cover. Safety begins with a simple rule of thumb. Treat every external AI prompt exactly as you would a public billboard. If you wouldn't broadcast it over a highway, do not type it into a chatbot. We break this down into the golden rule of 5. Categories of data you must never share with unsanctioned AI. First is proprietary code, easily absorbed by training sets. Second is customer data, including personally identifiable information. The final 3 are cash, meaning internal financials, colleagues, covering sensitive HR data, and confidentials, including unreleased strategy and intellectual property. By applying this personal firewall to your prompts, or by utilizing local on-device models that process data offline, you can harness the power of AI without crossing the line of enterprise risk. On the corporate side, strict bans have proven to be a failure. Global banks and tightly controlled tech companies have attempted blanket prohibitions, only to watch employees find workarounds. The effective solution is a safe AI stack. This means providing approved language models, establishing safe defaults, and secure internal sandboxes where they can experiment without risk. Closing the access gap is equally urgent. 97% of AI-related breaches happen because companies lack proper access controls, making automated data loss prevention tools a requirement for modern business. Sustainable growth requires channeling the pace of AI adoption through governance by design, turning a massive liability into your greatest asset. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs. We'll keep bringing you the science behind the